Hello everybody, how are you? I just wanted to show you my garlic harvest real quick, and Jack and Blessing are helping, of course. they're a little jealous of each other, but hopefully they'll get over it. But I decided I was just gonna harvest it. They look pretty ready right now. I do. And I got a laundry basket already, so I was gonna show you that. Okay. They're actually a pretty decent size. Ooh, this one's nice. That one's pretty big. I'm so excited for these. It's my first time growing garlic. I think we got one more left. Any more beef? Check it out. No. Right. And there it is. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. You can see better. Now I'm gonna brush them off. Let them cure. Ew, there's a worm on it. Let them cure and braid them up and hang them. And then I'll have beautiful homegrown garlic just for a little while, probably not for the whole winter, but I have a few inside that I harvested, and I'll be incorporating those in this harvest as well. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And many blessings. Bye.